Hello everyone. This is in continuation to solving of June 2024 question paper of CMA Foundation. Subject is Business Mathematics and Statistics. This is part 3. Question number 21. Statistical data collected by the government agency for surveying some matter is of course primary data. Reason is it is collected by the agency themselves, means original and first hand. So primary data. So option B. Which of the following diagrams is used to find the value of the mode graphically? Histogram will be the answer. Because ogives, it is used for median. Mean cannot be evaluated graphically. So for mode, it is histogram. Pie chart and bar chart won't be applicable. Cumulative frequency table is required to find out which of the following. We need definitely cumulative frequency for finding median. The average of lower and upper class limits is called class marks. Then the algebraic sum, I will shift this to next page. The algebraic sum of the deviations of 10 observations measured from 30 is 20, which means that summation of deviations of the observations, these are 10 observations, minus 30 is given as 20. Given as 20, which means summation x minus summation 30 is equal to 20. Divide both sides by n, we get sum x by n is minus 30. So summation 30 is nothing but 30 times n divided by n is equal to 20 by n. Summation 30 is 30n and you are dividing it by n, so I wrote n. So this n and this n gets cancelled. Sum x by n is nothing but arithmetic mean minus 30 is equal to 20 by n. N is given as 10, so this is 2, which means our x bar will be, taking that negative 30 to the right hand side, it becomes positive 30, so this becomes 32. The option is D. The next one. If the harmonic mean of 2a and 8 be 24 by 7, then find the value of a. So harmonic mean is given as 24 by 7. That is equal to number of observations are 3 observations divided by 1 by 2 plus 1 by a plus 1 by 8 reciprocals. Now let us cross multiply these two. We get 24 times 1 by 2 plus 1 by a plus 1 by 8 is equal to 3 multiplied by 7. Divide both sides by 3. We get 24 by 3 is 8. So 8 times 1 by 2 plus 1 by a plus 1 by 8. Here 3 will go, only 7 will be there. Now let us individually multiply within the brackets. Means 8 into half is 4 plus 8 by a plus 8 by 8 is 1 equal to 7, which means 8 by a is equal to 7. 4 plus 1 is 5. If I take it to the right hand side, it becomes negative 5. So this is 2, which means our a is 8 by 2 or 4. The option is B. Next one. The variables x and y are related by 4x minus 3y equal to 5. If the median and mode of the variable x are 4 and 5 respectively, then mean is what? Mean of y is what? First of all, we will rearrange the equation as 3y. I'm taking the negative 3y to the other side. It becomes positive 3y. Bringing that to 5 to this side, so you will get 4x minus 5. So divide both sides by 3, we will get y is 4 by 3 times x minus 5 by 3. So this means that median of y is equal to 4 by 3 times median of x minus 5 by 3. Median of x is known to be 4. So 4 by 3 times 4 minus 5 by 3. So this will get 16 by 3 minus 5 by 3, which is 11 by 3. So median of y is 11 by 3. Now mode of y is equal to 4 times mode of x minus 5. So that means 4 times, what is mode of x given? 5 is given. Sorry, 4 by 3 times. Mode of x, 5 by 3 times. 4 by 3 times, mode of x is given as 5 minus 5 by 3. So 20 minus 5, you get 15 by 3. So we got mode of y as 15 by 3, median of y as 11 by 3. Now we will use that empirical relationship formula, which is mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. That means 3 times median of y is 11 by 3 minus 2 times median of x, mean. And this side mode is nothing but 15 by 3. That means we will bring that negative 2 mean this side. 2 times mean is equal to 33 by 11. Bringing that 15 by 3 this side, we will get 18 by 3, which is 6. Therefore, mean is equal to 6 by 2, which is 3. The option is A. Next. The range of first 5 prime numbers. First 5 prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, and 11. So range is the highest minus least, which is 11 minus 2. We get 9 as the answer. Option D. The next one. For a sample of 10 observations, that means n is 10. Summation x is 20, summation x square is 200. We have to find standard deviation. Standard deviation is square root of sum x square by n minus x bar the whole square. X bar is sum x by n, which is 20 divided by 10. You get 2. So this will become now summation x square, which is 200 by n, which is 10, minus 2 square is 4. So this is 20 minus 4. 20 minus 4 is 16. Square root of 16 will become 4. The answer is option C. For a symmetrical distribution, Q1 is 34 and Q3 is 42 using Bowley's measure of skewness. So skewness measure is Q1 using Bowley's skewness minus 2 times quartile 2 divided by quartile 3 minus quartile 1. Since this is symmetric, skewness will be 0. So this by multiplying, that becomes 0. That means Q1 plus Q3 minus 2Q2 will be 0. Or we can say Q1 plus Q3 is equal to 2 times Q2, which means Q2, which is our median, will be Q1 plus Q3 divided by 2. That will be 34 plus 42 divided by 2. So it is 76 by 2, which is 38. So the median is 38, option D. The rest of the questions we'll see in the next video.